Sangerekano bw'ekinasi nigo nyara kuba ko gokorekana sense media ya ATC irati ko nyara kuba ko gokorekana segeka kyamatuko ane ali gochibosyo munenjira yemo yo kwerera nabago gukwanira igati y'ebintu birya nabagemero birerati ko bekwensemo ere kwene kibuna sector yoboche nunko kini berasenchira ebwenerete okwana chinga kechyo nigo oburai kurwa sense meyo banyara ko bagote babuna nigo bari nekerenga kyo gochikomera no mugavana be county ya Kisii Simbarati aburi itkolia ankyo riri itkolia Jumatano nenjira yemo yo kwene kibuna ngo isiransa bari nakubeke birobyo emeronge yorachi gokinia sector yoboche no igase county ya Kisii.
My name is Michael Nyongesa. I am the president of Kenya Progressive Nurses Association. We are an association, a professional body, and our main agenda in healthcare is to ensure that nurses provide quality of care. And for this to happen, is that nurses must gain skills and competencies to be able to perform at their maximum to serve our clientele and to serve our patients. And so we achieve professionalism through different ways. One of the ways is having annual scientific conferences where we meet to share our best experiences, our good practices, our research papers, for us to be able to really know and what is happening in different parts of this country and world over. So also informs our schools. That's the middle level and the higher institution of learning. And so what we study here, what we discuss here, it provides information to the institutions. So that in terms of issues of education and issues of practice, the schools can also capture, because they're a profession that is growing, that is not static but dynamic. So those are the kinds of we have. We have our governor. Our governor, His Excellency is the governor of Kisii. He's not around, but we have postponed our opening ceremony to tomorrow because he has indicated that he will be around tomorrow so that he can also come and listen to the nurses and also share a moment with nurses, because alone as nurses we cannot go far, but with collaboration with our employers, with our governments, it becomes easier for us to have a discussion and a conversation on how we can be able to move healthcare to a higher notch. So that is basically, our professional body does not at any time handle union issues. We are handling professional issues. The union is handling welfare issues. There's nowhere we cross the line. There's nowhere we can be the same. There's nowhere we can do the work of the union, and there's nowhere the union can do the work of the professional body. So some of these things do not miss. Some of these hearsay do not miss. But I want to categorically say here and now that that is not true. The union officials in Kisii are members of Kenya Progressive Nurses.